While Washington insiders are still trying to catch their breath, American voters are watching something remarkable unfold. A president acting boldly abroad and getting results that even his former critics are applauding. Let's start with the obvious. Trump owns the foreign policy conversation right now. No more Russia hoax distractions. No more hand wringing over multilateral committee meetings that go nowhere. He's showing the world and, more importantly, swing state voters, independents, that strength plus pragmatism equals peace and prosperity.